Hi everyone, welcome to the session Excel Essentials. Today we are going to discuss about VLOOKUP. What is it? What is lookup and its type? Lookup is a function that helps Excel in searching or collecting information corresponding to a cell from another table or sheet. There are three types of lookup: VLOOKUP or vertical lookup, which we are going to discuss today, HLOOKUP or horizontal lookup, and XLOOKUP. This is the most advanced version of lookup. Users who have the latest version of Microsoft Excel will have this function enabled in it. Irrespective of the type, lookup function works on four components. One, the common value. Common value is that value which has to be present in both the tables in order to fetch the information. We should have the knowledge of the table or sheet which contains the information that we require. We should also have the knowledge of the column number in which the required information or is present. And we should also have the knowledge of how to match this information, whether we need to have an exact match or an approximate match. In case of exact match, we should use a 0. In case of approximate match, we should use a 1. Let's go and try it. As a sample data, I have taken the registration number of students in a particular school, their names, the date of joining, their class, father and mother name. Okay. So using VLOOKUP function, let's see how we can extract the information from another table. So let's begin. I'm starting with equal VLOOKUP. So as I have opened a bracket, it's asking me what is my lookup value. So the lookup value is a common value which is available in both the sheets. So I have taken registration number, have entered a comma. So now it is asking about the table from which I want to match this information. So I've taken that table and sheet. So here this entire table I have selected. Now out of that, the information that I require first is the student name. So it is available in the second column. So I am entering after the comma, I've taken the table. Now I am entering a comma. Then I am entering it is asking me the column index number, which is a column number in which the required information is present. So I have entered number 2, again a comma. Now it is asking whether you want to match approximate or you want the exact match. We want the exact match, so we are entering a 0 here. See, the information is available now. In order to have the same formula or the same function run to the till the bottom, I don't need to go out and do the same function again. All I need to do is just copy this information and paste. Just simple paste, not paste special. So against which I have got the information of the student name. Now let's also extract class in which these students are present. Okay. So again, VLOOKUP, it's again asking for a lookup value, which is a common value. I've taken the registration number. Now I've selected the table in which the information is present, and I need to see in which column my information, the information that I am looking for is available. It's available in the 4th column. So as I progress and increase my range, so you can see that there is 2, 3, like numbers are increasing, 2C, 2, 4, and now it has become 4C. So this function will help, this running letters, the numbers will help us in knowing the column number in which our required information is available. So it is available in the fourth column. After the comma, I have entered 4. Now I'm entering 0 since I want an exact match. See, I've got the information that I require. So against these 10 students, their name and their class details have been presented. So just to check whether this information correct or not, let's filter one information, ADSP0181. This is of Abhinav and he's in class first. See, the same information is available here. So this is how we use VLOOKUP in Excel. Hope this clarifies. So please use it. And in case of any doubt, please comment it in the comment box.